Whoa. Oi, oi, oi. This is Itopi. Itopi is Kitopi is a delivery platform, and then Itopi is their restaurant. That, parang it's a curation of all the homegrown chefs here in Dubai, and well, obviously that's me. Okay, let's move forward. That's the Kuya team. So on Sunday, meron tayong pop-up, or that's Diane. Hello. We have a kitchen takeover. A restaurant takeover here on Sunday. So this coming Sunday, today, hopefully I can post this by today. That's Chef John, and then si Chef Wilson. Kamusta, Chef Wilson? Taga saan ka? Nueva Ecija. Gano'n ka nakatagal sa Dubai? 10 years na. Gano'n ka nakatagal bilang kusinero?
Since 2012. Nagkatala ko. 2 years. And then,
okay. So, ikaw yung head chef dito ngayon?
Ako na po yung
officer in charge? Yan. So, first time mo magluto ng Pilipino?
Hindi naman. Nagtrabaho ako sa Papa Kinda.
Okay. Dito?
Dito.
Okay. So sa Sunday, wala na tayong ibang menu kundi Filipino lang, Kuya menu. So yeah, lahat namin, hindi naman lahat, pero mga best seller namin, isa-serve namin dito. So yes, different location tayo ngayon. So what we're doing today is we are testing and doing a little dry run for Sunday's event. And there's an alfresco area over here. Habang maganda pa yung panahon. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I really hope na maraming tao pupunta. I really do. And yan, briefing na, Kuya and Itopi. Hello everyone. Hi. Hello.
Can you take sandwich?
Sure. Des, ano yung kinikrave ni Ma'am daw?
Madam asking for, ano daw, kung meron bang halo-halo. Yes, we do.
Tapos?
Halo-halo,
palabok, kare-kare, sisig, inasal. Basta mga best seller natin.
Having the cheese, salsa, right, spread. Right? Hindi palagi gulbida, coriander. Right? Para hindi siya magaman. Yes. Right? So, ganyan yung naging.
So, meron tayong palabok, kaldereta, lumpia, empanada, chicken skin, and ang aking asawa. Mamaya, food tasting tayo.
Then for the lumpia.
Hi, brother.
3 pieces. Right? Bread on it. Yan talaga siya.
Ang sarap ng palabo.
Hindi mo pa nga natikman eh.
Siyempre.
Natikman mo na yung palabok?
Yes.
Natikman mo na yung palabok ng Kuya?
Yes.
Nakakain ka na sa Kuya?
Yes.
Parang tina-target mo na. Target lock. Palabok, may adobong pusit, crispy skin, tofu, crispy garlic, eggs, and lots of love. Tortang talong, and his smile, brother smiling. Kare-kare.
Meat side, raised beef brisket, and then grilled lapad.
Okay, Des, tawagin mo si Diana. Tasting tayo.
Wow.
Okay, let's who's coming on Sunday?
And one more girl.
Okay. All right. Migs, you want to start?
Alright, so Kitopi team or the Topi team, thank you for having us, first of all. So yeah, let's start with the dishes that we'll be presenting this coming Sunday. A lot of Filipinos love to eat it when, they want to snack around, right?
This, or when you do your ordering, always encourage them to order appetizer so that the kitchen can have more time preparing the main course. So the best, I strongly suggest you chicken skin and the lumpia because or the empanada.
This is our palabok. So this is rice noodles.
This is called caldereta. Caldereta. Okay, and then this one? Kare kare. And this one? Shrimp paste. Okay, in Tagalog it's called bagoong. Bagoong. Okay. The ladies will remind you on Sunday.
Thank God.
This is called?
Spring rolls.
In Filipino it's called lumpia. Lumpia.
Saga is only Filipino.
This is tortang talong or eggplant omelet.
Eggplant.
With halloumi cheese on top, red onions, and we have it with 2 sauces, ketchup and vinegar. They mix every time they taste.
Pockets in Dubai are just so nice in terms of architecture and the view. Look at that.
Oh, is that the library or the museum? Ano nga yan? Diba sila Kitty pumunta dun?
Maybe is that the library? Maybe.
Saan ba to? Dito ba? Okay, we are going to Marsa Boulevard. Nandito si Chef Noel. Natin kung saan tayo nag-park. Alam mo yung pag sobrang laki yung mall, yung pag minsan nakakalimutan mo kung saan ka nag-park. And
Naalala mo, yung bago pa lang tayo sa Dubai, tapos we got lost. The Dubai Mall, parking lot, something like that.
30 minutes namin pag or more than an hour daw. It's an Italian car, I think. Don't know actually. Pinakadulo pala tayo. Kaya pala maraming parking. Jeez.
Dito na lang dito exercise.
Oo, hindi. At saka kakain tayo maraming chocolate mamaya. Snap!
Excited na ako.
Snap! Ito yung food court, no? Na parang maraming cuisines.
Food hall naman.
Food hall. What? Hold daddy's hand. Hold daddy's hand.
There's a train coming there. A train.
Oh, look.
What sound does a train make?
Choo, choo, choo.
Just watch out for it in case, you know, he spits it out.
Oh, we only have 1 passy left. Okay, let's look for Chef Noel's place. I see it. You see it? Ito yung favorite store ng friend namin na si Carlo. Tito Carlo. Hello, ngayong gabi. May mga discounted tayo dyan. Wala. Noel. Ayan. Ito na yung kay Chef Noel. Ayun na siya. Alright, let's go. Let's bring this up. Hi, Chef.
Hello.
Oop.
Ayan na.
Kamusta, kamusta? Congrats, congrats. Ganda ng lugar. Ito na ang tinatawag nila na snap!
Yes.
Snap tayo.
Snap!
Yes.
Take.
Next week pa tayo maglo-launch ng ating ube baklava.
Uy!
Yes.
Ube baklava. Nice. And then ito yung ating pistachio. Pistache.
Oh, yan. Ito yung pistachio kunafa, strawberry, and of course ube baklava next week. And then salted caramel rahash. Tapos yung the rest of the pistachio kunafa in dark and milk.
Ayan, si Chef Noel, isa sa mga ano yan?
Selection. Para meron kayo.
Uy.
I'll be with Ben. Thank you.
Chef Noel, isa sa mga bigating pastry chef dito na tinataas rin yung ating bandila.
Yes. Filipino forward.
Yeah, nakaka-proud.
Thank you.
Galing. Totoo. Promise. Order ako ng ito, Horlicks soft serve pecan. So guys, without in a nutshell, basically, yung gumawa ng sinasabi niyong tsokolate galing sa Dubai ay siya. Yun lang. It begins and ends with that.
Exactly.
And then let's just snap this. Ito yung Horlicks.
For them kasi childhood memory nila yun.
Talaga? Sila rin?
Yes.
Mga lokal rin?
For them, it's like I would say the Ovaltine of, the Middle East. Or
Yung Milo nila.
Horlicks naman, yeah.
Si Chef Noel ay 15 years na dito sa Dubai. 16 years. And ilang years ka na pastry chef?
24 years?
Wow. Chef, ilang taon ka na?
50.
50 ka na? Hindi mo pa. Ako 45.
Yeah, it's because of pistachio kunafa.
No. Can I see?
Look her up.
Can I? You have to snap it.
I did it. Wait.
A small snap.
Then, in time.
In time, yeah.
I see. Uy.
But you haven't tried, so this is the first time we're trying it. So our pistachio kunafa, for us, is really from scratch.
Oh wow. Very decadent. At saka ang ganda, yun nga, nandyan yung kagat, yung snap, yung crunch.
Which is our signature kasi, there are those who try to make their own chocolate, but they're not really chocolatier. So they just do it for the sake of, like
Because it's trending.
It's trending, yeah. It's different when you do something out of passion kasi, and you really take care of it.
Yeah. And parang it's different when a master does it versus like yung sumasakay lang sa bandwagon.
Exactly.
Ito yung ube.
Wow. Ube coffee?
Ube agad.
Call it under my name.
Babe, that's gonna sell. That's gonna sell with the locals.
Yeah. It's actually fast moving.
Really.
So this is my cardamom flavor, yung pecan caramel. And yung biscuits na to, I think back in the Philippines we're used to money biscuits, right? Or ano bang biscuit na common sa Philippines? That we grow up with. Yung Domino's ba or I don't know?
Ano nga bang...
So ito naman sa kanila is like digestive. It's like a childhood biscuit. Kaya we buy it.
Pero tama ka, parang Marie.
Yes, parang Marie.
Oo.
Nagdadala na mo yung cardamom.
Yeah.
And then ang ganda ng different textures na. Yung crummy, tapos yung crunch.
Yes.
So, chef, ano example, ano to?
Ito, that's the digestive biscuits.
And then this caramel.
The caramel is made of pecan paste, cardamom, a little bit of saffron, really very little, and then the pecan pieces. So parang caramelized paste, parang pearly paste, pero pecan paste siya.
Okay. Chef, can I ask a question? Like, I always ask JP this Sino yung parang dream mong pakainin or patry ng chocolate mo?
Actually, right now, gusto ko pa-try ni Amore Bishop kasi for me, he's like at the top of his game.
Okay, okay.
Here, I would love to, like, you know, let him try chocolates.
Sino pa?
Sino pa? Well, my childhood favorite was Jack Torres. You know, the Mr. Chocolate Man. So I'm sure I would love to have him try as well. Like, with it.
Pastry chef na talaga.
Oo.
Parang he lives and breathes pastry.
Yes.
Yes.
And it's nice to that you feel the passion of the creator, and nandyan yung sincerity, yung like si Akmal at Shasta, ito. When you talk, I can hear yung voice mo. Again. When you speak, base sa boses mo, ramdam ko na naghirap ka.
For sure, yeah. You go through a lot of peaks and valleys.
Yes. And kaya ito.
Yeah.
Fast forward.
Ito. Yeah.
Oh, but then that's grit also eh, diba?
Ano lang,
Parang,
you just have to keep pushing, you know, like, determined ka lang talaga.
And then set it aside and then go.
baka hindi kasing sarap yung chocolates mo and yung creations mo if you didn't go through that.
Exactly, yeah. Kasi it's like part of finding your own path. Parang trying to find your confidence again. Ito ako, and despite all the noise or distractions, ito ako. I mean, this is me. But hindi ko na. Ito ang classic siya. This is my parang, what do you call it siya?
My redemption.
Redemption, yeah.
Hindi siya lasang hugot eh.
Yeah.
Masaya siya eh.
Oo, so, exactly. Hindi pilit.
Hindi siya yung, alam mo yung hugot pilit eh.
Oo, pilit. Tama.
At saka may konting pait siguro.
Yeah. How did you think of something like putting kunafa in a chocolate? Kasi I mean, everybody has kunafa here, diba? Pero parang nobody's ever thought of putting it in a chocolate. Like even me when I heard it, like honestly, narinig ko pa to when I was in the Philippines, ha? My friend asked me, have you tried the Dubai chocolate? It's like, what do you mean? Like, what is a Dubai chocolate? What? It says it has kunafa in it. So, I've tried a kunafa. Parang, I can't imagine it in a chocolate. How did you think of it?
It started actually with my experience at Jordan, because I work in Jordan. And yung favorite dessert is kunafa. And I fell in love with kunafa because it has, that savory and sweet element. So I think I'm attracted to the savory and sweet element.
Oh my gosh, ako
So that's
din.
when it already resonated in me yung dessert na yun. Like if I crave for something, I always look for kunafa. So, and people here love pistachio. So, it was kind of like, just like out of the blue, I just thought about them as a really good mix.
And part ng journey niya.
Yeah, it represents my journey actually.
And ngayon excited ako sa ube.
Yes.
Yun yung talagang full circle.
Yeah, full circle. Exactly.
It's nice that there's like, you can try your experience, your journey through your chocolate. No? It's nice.
Kasi if you do something out of passion, like what you're doing, it really shows in your product. Kasi hindi siya pilit. So when you eat it, it gives you life, it makes you happy. Kasi it's made with love.
Yeah.
Galing.
Ganun naman talaga.
Nakaka-proud.
Where can you get this when you're like online? Where can I order?
So right now available na siya sa Deliveroo. Someone is carrying it under Viral Brands.
Viral brands?
Yeah. So, but even if you search on Deliveroo Snap, you will find it.
Okay.
Abangan nila yung ating ube baklava.
Yun.
And more.
Nako.
Yung collab na dapat mangyayari.
This guy is just warming up.
Yes, exactly. Without summer, I'm warming up.
Abangan nyo to, guys. Abangan nyo to. And tingnan mo, hello. Nakaka-proud si Chef Noel, no?
Chef Noel is really the brainchild of the Kunafa, Dubai Kunafa chocolate.
Boom!
There's a food consultant here in Dubai.
Diba? Pinoy pala, no? Yun na!
Super nice na box. So, pwede talaga siya pang-pasalito.
Good night, everyone. And congrats sa inyo. Nakaka-proud. talaga. As in. The king.
Alam ko pinipilit yung iyak niya.
Oo nga eh.
Ah, pinipilit niya.
Pinipilit niya. Sabi niya, uwi na.
He's so sleepy na.
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Kahit anong pang papatawa ko sa kanya, hindi na siya tumatawa.
Oo.
Mwah. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Wala na. Normally, tumatawa to. Pero ngayon, I don't care. I just wanna go home. You guys didn't even share the chocolate with me. Speaking of chocolate, masarap, no?
Masarap
What do you
siya.
think?
Yes, it's really good.
For
And
the
you know
price?
what? I heard, like, magkano ba yung
The other one?
the other one? It's like, mahal.
Double yata, or almost double.
This is 35,
Yeah. 60 plus yata yung isa, no?
maybe.
Yeah.
This
Pero-
is 35 and it comes in such nice packaging as well.
Yeah. Ako, I have to say, and I'll admit it, I'm biased. So, I'm biased. Siyempre, di ba? Support your own.
Yeah, and I would go back for the ube chocolate.
Yes.
Sorry, ube coffee. Ube
And then
latte.
yung bago, yung i-release niya. Yung
Yeah.
ube. That's
Okay,
gonna...
babalikan ko yan.
Iba yun. Wala pang nakagawa nun.
Yep.
Tsaka, yun nga eh, ramdam na ramdam mo yung mga hurdles and obstacles ni Chef Noel na, and then finally, ito yung parang, you know, icing.
Yeah.
Pero, like what he said, he's just getting started once again. And you know, tingnan mo, he's 50 and
Grabe, he does not look 50 at all. I would have guessed like 43, 45 maybe at most.
yung takeaway ko dito is, I know, Finn, I know. Mwah. Listen to this. This is important. You'll need this when you grow up. Yung takeaway ko dito is, he's super sleepy. Yung takeaway ko dito is, walang edad. Pakanya-kanyang panahon.
Wala yan.
Wala sa edad.
Talaga.
May iba that they get it, they achieve success at 20, at 30, at 40. Chef Noel, 50 ngayon. Like what he said, he's just warming up.
Yes.
Prior to that, he went through, you know, some obstacles, some hiccups, and now...
But you need to go through that. It makes
Exactly.
you a stronger person, it makes the story more interesting as well.
Correct. And for that, Chef Noel, I respect you. We are so proud of you. Tingnan mo naman yung mga kabayan natin na pumupunta, going out of their way just to say hello to him, just to... Pag nakikita mo sa mga mukha ng mga tao na pumapasok, kahit hindi sila bumibili, pero they just parang amin yan. Galing Pinoy ang gumawa. World class tayo. Okay. I'm sorry na madaldal si Daddy.